In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link pages in Framer. By the end, you'll be able to turn any text, button, or object into a clean internal link that guides visitors to the right place without writing a single line of code. First, head to Framer and open your project in the editor. Make sure you're on the canvas where your page design lives so you can see the elements you want to work with. If you have multiple pages in your project, it helps to have them named clearly in the Pages panel so they're easy to find when you link them. Next, click the element you want to turn into a link. This can be a text box, a headline, a button, an image, or even a frame. The key is to select the actual layer you want people to click. If you're having trouble selecting it on the canvas, use the Layers panel to pick it precisely. And if the element is inside a group or component, make sure you're editing at the right level so the link applies where you expect. With your element selected, look to the right-hand Properties panel and find the link to control. Depending on your layout, it may appear under Interactions or a Link section. If you don't see it, click once outside of any text editing mode. Framer needs the layer selected, not the text cursor active. Once you've got the layer selected, the link to option will be available. Now choose the option labeled #page. This tells Framer you want to link internally to another page in your project rather than an external URL. After clicking Page, you'll see a list of your existing pages. Pick the destination page you want visitors to land on. Framer automatically uses that page's path. So if you later update the page slug, your link will keep working. This is the most reliable way to handle internal navigation across your site. That's it. The element is now linked. A quick tip, use Preview to click the element and confirm it navigates to the right place. For clarity and maintainability, keep your page names and slugs tidy and consider using clear labels on linked elements so visitors know exactly where they're going. Also, ensure the clickable area is large enough for comfortable tapping on mobile. You've just learned the fastest, most dependable way to link pages in Framer using the built-in link to control and the /page option. Save your project, repeat the process for other elements, and your site navigation will feel seamless and professional.